Hey guys, what's up? I'm with Stormy and we're about to go get pierced. I'm getting a Daith piercing and Stormy's getting an eyebrow piercing.
You know.
So if they allow filming in there, we're gonna film.
So I'm just gonna clean you up a little bit.
What was that? Hey, you ready? You ready? Oh, bro.
Huh?
You gotta take the thumbnail, man. Good. It's good. There you go. That's more accurate.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you turn your head just a little bit more, that's perfect. That's beautiful, just like that. Right. Big deep breath in. And all the way out. You okay?
Yeah.
So you didn't die. Good job.
No, I didn't die.
Good.
It's good.
Proud of you.
And cleaned up. That way you won't have an orange here all week.
That'll be good.
Yeah.
I mean, as much of a look is that what you mean?
Like a really bad, super centralized spray tan kind of
Yeah.
look, yeah.
It's like when you dye your hair and then you have like the nice tie-dye look going on. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I love it.
You did?
Yeah, I like it.
Alright.
Hell yeah.
It's so pretty. Cameraman.
Alright. Just to feel a little bit of pressure here. Alright, big deep breath and out. Beautiful piercing's done. Cool, we'll kind of clean you up here just a little bit.
Sweet.
And be all set.
Guys, we have our piercings. It kind of hurt to get in, but like honestly not the worst pain ever. Because like obviously it's gonna hurt a little bit because it's a piercing. It's a needle going through your skin, right? So it hurt a little bit. But then once the jewelry was in, it really didn't hurt for my ear. What about your eyebrow?
Yeah, no, it didn't hurt at all.
Yeah. So yeah, didn't really even hurt. Okay, so I was gonna film an update video for you guys. It's been a week since I got my Daith pierced, and this is what it looks like. It's actually gone pretty well. It doesn't really hurt too much. It started hurting a couple of days ago, but that's starting to go away a little bit. And right after I got it pierced, I was able to kind of move it around and like touch it without pain, but you're not supposed to touch your piercings right after you get them, so don't do what I did. But I really like that it is more on the inner part of my ear, so it can't get caught on anything, because about a week ago I got my helix piercing ripped out by a rope on a trapeze, and so that was really painful. So far I really like it, and very minimal pain, and it feels really nice, and I keep getting a lot of compliments on it. And so yeah, I really like having this piercing. And I was just gonna end this vlog there, but my friend Lola had Billie Eilish tickets, and she like had a ticket for me, and so I'm gonna see Billie Eilish tonight, and I'm super excited. So I'm gonna try to vlog that too if I can, but I'm gonna go get some Starbucks now because I just finished helping with makeup for a photo shoot at Circus. So yeah, I'm gonna go get Starbucks, and then I'm gonna go to Billie Eilish later. I changed my mind on my way to Starbucks, and I got bubble tea instead.
Okay, the opener doesn't. We are currently in line. It's a really long line.
Very long line.
Like really long line. So let's hope we get in sometime in the next hour. We've currently moved 20 feet. So yeah.
Want me to film you, Gordy?
No, you're doing like a little vlog update.
What's the update, Gordy?
Now I'm sitting down because we were just standing for a while. I'm probably getting sunburnt, but you know, it's okay. Yeah. Only 2 more blocks.
We just moved a solid couple meters. Somebody probably just crossed the street.
Now we're right in this.
1 block left. Why are you doing it from above? It's making her look shorter. Look at how tall. That bitch.
Will someone?
We're in our spots. Just got some merch, which you can't see because I tied it to my bag so I don't lose it. But
You can show it. This
oh yeah, okay. This is what most of us got. I got this one.
Me too.
She got this one.
and then
Asher got that one. Our plan is to curse and dance through the crowd.
Yeah.
Look at everyone's going nuts, yeah.
Okay. We think we see her.
I don't know if I believe it.
I don't know if I believe it.
I think so. I'm
we
pretty
think
sure.
it's her. They don't think it's her.
It's not that I don't believe it's her. It's just I like don't want to get my hopes up that like I can literally have a direct line of sight to Billie Eilish right now.
Mine is not
I
direct.
can't accept that.
Gordy's isn't direct, but we believe.
We're pretty sure we see Phineas though.
Yeah, we see Phineas.